What up, everybody? You know what it's Venda for Brahma and Mr. Aubreaction. You know what it's man. So we are back today with a news mugozi. I'm talking about shenanigans. Venda. Last week it was prefix, you know, busy saying Makhadzi this, Makhadzi this, hey man. And the last week it was Ganama shenanigans, you know, S plus, Munada, Mukololo, who's and that. So now we are back today. So what happened, I'm gonna just do briefly. I don't know what's going on. I don't really know who's at wrong here, who's at what. So I'm just holding my laptop so that I can just read what she wrote. So Makhadzi went live yesterday on 27th. She went live. She was promoting her album as always, and then she started by playing Ganama. I started with live, and then when she was playing Ganama, I was like, I know the song, so I went out. And then apparently she played another song called Energy. I went today in the morning because of this, and then I went to like rewatch the live and everything. So in the morning, today in the morning, someone tagged me on this post, and then it was Mukoro Muimbi. She posted something, paragraph and screenshot, and then this is what she posted. She was like, "Good morning, guys. I just woke up now. Ndiko sende was a screenshot and the video. Our Makhadzi, she is using our beats and style, guys. You know me better. I seen them towards the end. So briefly, to those who don't understand, she say our Makhadzi is using our video and style. You know me, I'm not person, and I would like I'm not a fighting person. I don't like, you know, fights. I don't like, you know, provoking anything. You know, Fezi. Ezi running this ambe. Gianni chipinga ni techere. She was like, hey man, take time and listen. She took my beats. And she is also using my style. You know, I'm very disappointed. Somewhere I used to defend her, or cancel. Now I don't know what to say. So she's saying like, I used to defend her when people say, hey, she stole my beats, she stole my style and everything. I used to defend her, but now I don't know if I should defend her because now she stole my style. So this is what she posted, and then if you see the screenshot that I posted there, you can see that there's space there for screen grab, beat, hey India, we must say everything. So let me just play you the video she posted so that you can understand what I'm talking about. I'm sorry about the sound of the video because I was trying to download the video and then the video is private, so I just had to like screen grab it, so the quality might be you see. So that was Mukololo part where she was talking about that. So let's hear Makhadzi part. You heard that, but guys, you heard that. I'm just gonna try and do some music so that you can understand if you are not hearing it, but I'm gonna post this video at the end, also Makhadzi Makhadzi live at the end. So this guys, this is something that you have to understand. I feel like, I don't know, right? I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on and everything, but I feel like the beat owner is the one who have the key to a lot of things. The beat owner have the key in a lot of things. He or she can say, okay, this beat, this is what happened when it comes to beat, because it's like when you make beats, right, and then Makhadzi say, I want a beat, and then you don't have any beats right now. You're just gonna pick anything and give it to Makhadzi because Makhadzi is Makhadzi, right? But one thing that I wanna reference is the flow. Makhadzi flows, like flow. I feel like they're similar. They can't be exact same, right? But I feel like if it's really true that Makhadzi stole this, right? She mentioned even the flow. I feel like the flow is the same, the style is the same, like she said, Mukololo. So, hey man, I don't know what's gonna unfold. The song say me, what I mean. I'm just gonna brief you guys. So, hey guys, I'm gonna play the live Makhadzi at the end, and then live Mukololo. So, this is post Mukololo, and then you guys can try and understand what's going on. But hey man, let's hope more will unfold from this, and I just hope I'm gonna get hold of the beat maker so that we can post this one to the rest. Thank you for providing me information, and I love you all. Enjoy these videos. Yeah.
energy.
One more time. Hello, guys. My arm is about to drop. It needs energy. Can I please see fire emojis? Can I please see energy?
Fire.
Can I please see energy?
Emojis, man. Love emojis.
Love, I can see love, but it needs fire because this album needs energy.
Yeah.
Please prepare yourself. It needs energy. I'm about to drop the
It's
album.
like you look at I got makeup here, bro. Come on, man. What the fuck is going on?
Guys, please prepare yourselves. My album needs energy. Hey. That's extremely what did you do? Energy.